Welcome to my 8th video. If you don't know by now that my name is Jamie, God help you. The number 8, I don't think gets enough love, generally, as a number. So I've decided to make this 8th video one of the most important videos in my collection. This video is all about how to make money as a server in the hospitality industry. There are two major tools that you bring to the table every single time: your smile and a genuine effervescence, a happiness that is felt and seen by the people that you're taking care of. It's so easy when they sit down and you come up to the table. Folks, what can I get you to drink? Versus, folks, I'm so happy you're here. The chef has created something really special tonight in the kitchen, and I can't wait to tell you about it. But first, what can I offer you to drink? The bartender has made something special too to go with tonight's dinner, which is, and you tell them what that special may be. That when people come to your establishment, they're not only looking for something to eat, but they're looking to enjoy themselves and in many cases be entertained. It's your role to make sure that they're happy and that they want to come back. And if you come to the table with a dour expression and a laissez-faire attitude, you're not going to get much out of that evening. But if you come to the table with a effervescence, a happiness, an excitement that they can see and feel, your night's going to go much better. And when you start promoting the specials and the drink specials and building an excitement with that, they're going to be excited and they're going to follow your lead. It's not difficult to increase your chit average with every table. When they sit down, offer cocktail specials. If they're ordering a gin and tonic, upsell Bombay Sapphire, Hendrix. If they're ordering a martini, upsell Grey Goose, Kettle One. Those are ways to increase your chit average. If it's a busy night, let them know ticket times are going to be a little bit longer as they order their entrees, and suggest an appetizer. Folks, the fried oysters tonight are fantastic, and there's enough for everybody at the table to get a few. Those are ways to increase your chit average. If it's a busy night, go around and constantly offer drink refills. Offer suggestions and pairings with their meal. They're open to those ideas. And finally, at the end of the night, always offer dessert and coffee. If you're in an establishment that's not typically known for their dessert, 1 in 4 tables will say yes. If you sell it enthusiastically, let them know that several of your desserts come with extra spoons for sharing. If you have a 4-top, that's an extra $40 that night. In 5 nights, that's an extra $200. $400 bi-weekly, and almost $1,000 more a month in your paycheck just by asking, folks, what can I get you for dessert? The chef has made something really special tonight. It's that easy. It's not hard to make money in this business if you come to the table with a effervescence, a joy that they can see and feel. You can offer ideas and suggestions, and they're more receptive when you bring the right attitude, and it starts with your smile. You can learn this tip and so much more in my new book, Servers and Managers Business Development. This book is the quintessential authority for servers and managers in the hospitality industry. This book provides a wealth of tips and tricks needed to be successful in this business. You can learn about this book and so much more on my website, serversandmanagers.com. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.